I tell you, as soon as this thing done, I'm me and you tonight.
You know, a lot of things being said. Just said.
Hold on, wait. Yeah. Man, you can't look so mad. You have to, hold on, just put this around. You have to look a little,
what do you mean?
Look a bit more simple. Look, don't forget, you have to promote the book. I'm a publicist for a reason. You gotta put this over your head so you look a bit more, you know, just look a bit more.
Just, matter of fact, hold my hand. You have to look like you're sad. Hold my hand. Listen, I think that'll work.
Really other things in me, I want to fool.
You're getting paid millions. Ah, damn. You know, I've spoken to my wife. We've spoken about this. As a matter of fact, she knew about all this in the past. All the things that I've done with the women. Dang, you strong, girl. Oh my gosh.
Be honest with the people them. Be honest with the people them before me knock out your teeth them. Be honest with the people them.
They're supposed to feel sorry for you, babe.
Sorry for me? Sorry for who? Think say me I want soft, girl. Me not soft.
Okay.
And me a pen me come from. And me a pen no play a pen. Alright, so the check clear. Me not go there here.
Security! You know, she is a supportive woman by the grace of God. As you can see, we are blessed. Okay? All this is going to be written in my book, Relationship Goals. Make sure you guys go and check it out. You know, I do want to make sure that I'm fully transparent with everybody. There's been times that, you know, the times I did step out. She knows everything about it. She knows about Keisha, you know, what happened in the backseat of the Honda with Keisha. She knows all about Lisa. The time at the back of the in the McDonald's bathroom.
What?